Hey guys, welcome to Plant Therapy. This is Mona, and I am back at my favorite place, Dutch Plant Farm. Last week, I told you that they were going to be showing off some rare plants. I couldn't stick around, unfortunately. I found my grandchildren there, and I'm easily distracted by grandchildren, even from these beautiful plants. Look at this, and look up here. Looks like a big bird perched on top of there, right? Don't ask me the name. I couldn't see a tag or anything from where it sat. This here is the variegated banana. I'm not sure of the exact name, but it was in the cabinet. There were two of them on each side of this display here. But they got too big for the cabinet, I guess. Oh, look at this. I hope you guys enjoy this tour. I will be going around to the other side as well to hopefully give you a better angle. Here you can see they have some variegated burley marks, which I scored one already, so I'm kind of happy to see. I couldn't see what they were selling them for. And look at this philodendron green Congo. I think that was my favorite thing in the cabinet, I'm telling you, in the terrarium. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. I tried to zoom in where I could see names and prices. Sorry, I don't have all the names for you. This beauty was on sale for $124.99, marked down from, I believe, $199.99. Okay, so here it is again. I'm going over this. Take 5. Okay, here we have a white knight marble, a variegated white knight with the marble variegation, I think. You know, when I look at it, sometimes I'm thinking I see strawberry shake, but I think that was the variegated white knight. And coming up, there's a strawberry shake in there. Yeah. This one here, I believe, was the strawberry shake. And uh, I think it was $149.99 or something around there, in that ballpark. Then here you see a lot of Thai constellations. Those prices are starting to come down. I'm still waiting before I take a chance. Me and Monstera, I don't know. They don't seem to like me. So I have to wait until the price is really cheap before I take a chance with one. Up here, you see some Monsteras. The name is on the other side. When I go around, I think you'll be able to see. Beautiful variegation on those leaves. You see the little baby in the corner. I feel like if you buy a plant, buying it small is so much smarter because then it can acclimate better to your environment. This I struggled with. I wanted one of these cute little pink princesses. I can't see the name. I hope you can see it. There was a little glare there. And the Jose Bonos are getting bigger. They had a bunch of babies in there, and there was some on the table, out on the table. They weren't as variegated as that, but they were little babies. Lots of potential, I'm sure. Do you guys recognize those leaves? What are they? I see this, I think to the left here is a tortum. And those are the monsteras I was talking about. And here I believe these are Anthurium here. $3.50 for the Renaissance. I haven't really attempted an Anthurium yet. I saw one of the ones there to the left of that pot that I'd like to start with, but I haven't gotten the nerve yet. What is this, guys? Looking at the shape of the leaves, I don't know what it could be, but it's gorgeous. The variegation is just stunning. And down here, we have all kinds of little goodies. I don't know if that one we just looked at to the left there was I know they said something in the email about a variegated black cardinal, but I'm not sure if that's what that was. And these are adorable. I don't know how big they get. I don't know what they are. Here is a grouping of snowdrift. And then my fave, burl marks. And there's that beauty, that variegated green Congo. I'm in love with that one. Now here, I just wanted to go around and show you a couple of things on the tables. This Birkin, look at that leaf. How come mine won't sprout those kind of leaves? Mine looks like it's struggling all the time. I need to do better, I think, with watering. Mine is in a terracotta pot. I may take it out of that. Now here, I wanted to compare the Brazil to the cream splash, which you'll see in a moment. Okay, I see the difference between the Brazil and this one. However, how can you tell the difference between a silver stripe and that cream splash? Now, it seems like the stripe is a little more elongated, the leaves. What do you think? That was the only one to compare. So, and I wanted to get that because it's so full, and I was going to propagate like crazy. But I saw $60. I said, no, I think I'll wait a while. Hopefully the prices will come down, or maybe I can get a smaller pot of that. Now I can't leave the succulents out. I didn't do too much. They didn't have a lot of succulents yet. I showed you the best ones they had the other day in a reel. If you haven't seen that, make sure to go check out my recent reels. You'll see one with these guys from far away. So I wanted to go and take a closer look at the variegation. Aren't they beautiful? And this is always beautiful. These guys are so cute. So here's the last part of the video, and I hope you stick around long enough to just take it in. Jungle vibes. Just so pretty with all the green, beautiful, large plants they have for sale there. It's just stunning to look at them all together. That feel, look at that. Palms. And that poor Epi took a beating over the winter. Looks like it lost all the lower leaves. But hopefully it'll bounce back. The monsteras are hanging in there. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. That section right there. This is one of my happy places, guys. You know, you just walk in there and you feel the stress just leave you as you walk through the doors. I controlled myself too. I did not buy any plants. I struggled, but I didn't buy any plants today. I was very tempted, but I fought the urge. Here, I wanted to show you, coming up shortly, they had some alocasia that I wanted you to see. Here we go. There's some fried eggs. And look at this one here. Metalhead. I never heard of that. Now, Rachel, if you're watching, tell me if you've ever heard of that. I know you love alocasia. You're queen of alocasia as far as I'm concerned. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. Huge. And I still don't have a fried egg. I keep saying I'm going to get one, but I haven't yet. Look at the variegation on that one leaf. So we're nearing the end of the video, guys, and I just want to thank you if you've hung in this long. I appreciate it. As I go back, and hopefully at different times of the day when there's not as much glare, I'll be able to get some better shots of the goodies in the cabinet for you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please comment and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.